What about things like, that's very common because I remember I worked in the past with a company and I think the manager said, oh, just download the AVG free
Yeah.
antivirus. What is the difference between the paid one and the free version?
Okay. So a lot of people, I see a lot of in small businesses as well. Yeah, I got AVG free. It's good, but there's not enough protection to stop
Hmm.
today's hackers in the free version. Even the paid version is not. It needs some work. Right? You need additional softwares to help protect you. So the difference between the free and the paid is that when you download the free,
Hmm.
they hide some features from you, right? But what
Yes.
happens is they solicit your feedback about what you like, don't like, maybe like performance statistics from your computer, and they take all of this information and make it better into the paid version. So they take all your feedback and make it better and put it in the paid version. So this way, um, you'll end up spending it on the paid version, so it's be more advanced.
So could the paid version also tell us that somebody's been, who's been hacked, or are they very good at this or not really?
Not really. The traditional antiviruses aren't as effective as they used to. Now we need more advanced software like behavioral analysis software, like a malware bytes. Or if you're a company, you got to look at the bigger stuff called CrowdStrike. But these softwares cost $10,000.
Okay.
But it's very, very, very highly effective against cybercrime. In fact, actually, they even put a breach warranty on it that if you get hacked, we'll pay the first $1 million to clean this up.